Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. For today I have this project. This is a wooden vise that I made all here on the Fuso 360. The idea for this project is to create a wooden vise in the real life. All the measurements here is real and you can create by yourself a real wooden vise. I made using the real measurements nuts. For this project I made this ebook with all the measurements drawings here, with the assemblies, measurements, the list of parts, the description of the washers, the nuts, the wood screws and the corner brackets that you can copy this and paste in the Fuso 360 MacMaster to create these parts and to find to buy this and construct by yourself. These are the drawings that we need to construct this project. Brushes, all the wood parts are here available to download. The first part, that is this video, is to create all the parts needed to this project. The next video will be with the assembly that we can create and simulate this project. Let's start. Create here a new project. Always remember to create a new component here. We will start with the Vise A. Here on the ebook with the drawing of the Vise A, we can create our measurements here. 250 millimeters with 9 millimeters. Here, we turn here to the Fusion. Create our rectangle with 90 and 250 millimeters. Finish the sketch with 4 millimeters extrusion. 4 millimeters extrusion. And the measurements of the circles on the back of this product, we need to create 2 circles here. A vertical line as a construction, the 50 millimeters distance from the border and 35 millimeters distance here. It's 35 millimeters, 50 millimeters with 1 inch measurements here. This second circle needs to be in this line with the measurements of 25 millimeters, 5, a distance of 30 millimeters from the bottom border, here 30 millimeters, and another circle with 15 millimeters concentric to that circle, 15 millimeters. Now we can mirror this circle and start to extrusion. These 2 circles here with 3 millimeters. Extrude these 2 circles here, minus 30 millimeters. Make that sketch, unhide that sketch. This central circle with 50 millimeters needs to cross over the project, and that another circle needs to be 13 millimeters depth. Okay, minus. Now we can hide this and we can apply some fillets here on the edge with 5 millimeters. Now our first parts are concluded here. Now we can copy, return here to the main project and paste as new. Just move a little bit here. Change the name Vise B, because this part have a lot of measurements in common, we can just change some dimensions. In this case, we can make this for all these parts. Return here to the drawings in the Vise B. These measures here remains the same, but we need to change that diameter as 37 millimeters. Turn here in the second sketch, 37 millimeters. And the extrusion needs to be -2 millimeters. That was the difference between the Vise A and the Vise B part. For the next part, we can copy. Return here on the main project and paste as new. Just change a little bit this part here and change the name to Vise C. Enter here on this part and change some measurements here. On the Vise C, we can change this as 70 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch. The extrusion is not 40, it's 35 millimeters. In this case, diameter remains the same, but in this case, turn here in the sketch, it's not a circle here, we need to delete. Okay, we can create a polygon, constrain that line with a measure of 19 millimeters to insert our nut here in this slot. And finish the sketch and change here the diameter for 14 millimeters. Change that with -11.2 millimeters. Create some holes here with the distance is 40 millimeters. We can create these holes here. Create some points. There are 4 points that we need to constrain here. With the distance from the border is 12 millimeters. And here on the base is 10 millimeters. That point needs to be vertically and horizontally constrained here, here, and here. And this distance 40 millimeters from the bottom base here. And this distance is 18. You can create a line, construction line, to do a mirror tool. Select that line and create these points. These holes, select all of that. This is all a single hole, and the diameter is 2 millimeters. Create another sketch here, another line with constructions, 2 points here and here. These 2 points here needs to be 12 millimeters, that is in the middle. This distance from the border is 12 millimeters. These 2 points is horizontally, and the distance from the side borders here are 25 and 95 millimeters. Create the mirror tool here for these 2 points. finish the sketch. Create these holes with 20 millimeters depth, 2 millimeters diameter, and the part is concluded to be assembled. Return here to the project, to the main project. Now we can apply some colors here to be easier to see these parts. And in the end, we can apply some textures of wood here. We need to create the cylinder, that's with a new component. Here, hide all the other parts. Create this cylinder. Here with 50 millimeters diameter. 50 millimeters diameter. Extrude with 70 millimeters. 70 millimeters. We can create here on the back a circle with 12 millimeters and the extrusion of minus 40 millimeters. Create another sketch that is two circles here and here. Make that circle vertically constrained to the center point. Remember here it's 10 millimeters from the border and the other is 50 millimeters. It is 12 and that was 4 millimeters here. E for extrude, select that two profiles. Symmetry, we can change to all to remove the material. Now we have our cylinder. Apply a fillet of 5 millimeters. Here and here. Apply a color. Return to the main project. Create a new component, rod cap. Here. It's another profile. You can create that here, here, and here, and here. Change that to center line. We need to revolve this profile. This is 35 millimeters. This diameter is 22 millimeters. The diameter is 10 millimeters. And this depth is 15 millimeters. Now we can revolve new body and apply a fillet of 5 and 2 millimeters. Fillet of 5 and another one with 2 millimeters. Turn to the main product, make all these components visible, apply some colors here. Now we have all components that is made in wood. The next video I will show you how to create all the other components that is in metal material, and in the last video we will create the assembly product. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.